Some animals look so strange, you might think they're not real. But every creature in this video actually exists. Let's take a look. Nature doesn't always create what we expect. Some animals evolved in ways that seem almost unreal. Strange shapes, unusual colors, and features that don't look natural at all. But each of these creatures has a purpose. Some use their appearance to hide. Others use it to scare predators. And some simply adapted to extreme environments. From deep oceans to remote forests, these animals developed traits that look almost impossible. What makes them even more fascinating is that they exist right now on our planet, and most people have never seen them before. As you watch, it becomes harder to tell what looks real and what looks fake. But everything you see here is real. So, which one looked the most unreal to you? Subscribe for more.